So where you find this beautiful getaway is actually just north of Huntsville. It is the town of Kearney. Town of Kearney is just private little getaway place where people have been able to go snowmobiling, they use their ATVs, they're also able to bring out all their four-wheel drives, whatever it is, because they have so many parkways. There's a couple of things to take in mind. Obviously, now that we're in a situation of 20 and 20, we like to keep the safety for you and others. The protocols are we need to leave the rooms 24 to 48 hours before cleaning and touching and then renting out to others. So in order for that, we ask everybody, please clean up your garbage when you leave. Do not leave food in the fridge. Try not to leave dishes in the sink with food on them. Just keep it as clean as possible so that when we can go in, we'll clean it up and make it to the best availability for you next visit. Everybody's asking about pets right now, and pets are important, but if we bring in little baby puppies, they like to chew and they like to mess up your things. So we do ask for a security deposit just to be able to protect the property and keep it clean and neat for those who are not having pets in their location. The villas are all individually laid out peacefully, 1,800 square foot. So you are not in the facility of another person. They're privately entered front and back on two sides of the river and the lake. So it's a great way to escape and maybe you want your family members there, but you're not able to like commingle in the one place because we are respecting times of what's going on in the world today. So maybe you want to bring your family members, but you want to see them through a window or go outside, have an open fire, and enjoy one another like at a more distance level of more than 6 feet. We would love to see you there and enjoy your great escape.